start sanding today some of this room, so I am going to protect my downstairs by putting a tarp over all of this opening area. So he gets done with all this. This is going to be my workout slash hangout slash reading slash
hideout slash
all that.
Don't touch that white board here. End of it. If you do, you'll probably be dancing.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You'll be like, ah!
Well, that's dangerous.
That's why I sit ready not to touch. Okay, gotten a little bit farther. Got that painted over there. I still have to go around the window and fix that. Got the walls here painted. Got the curtain thingy down there. Got this painted over here and got this painted over here. Some of the paint's still wet. I got this board down here so I can stand over there and get to the corner up in there. Still need to paint the ceiling, go around the trim, fix the trim up around the corners, and fix the door for that, make a door for that. And Tina's in there.
So today we are up in my sheet room, and don't ask me why, but these people must have taken their rug and stapled it down. All the staples. There's staples everywhere. So that's gonna be us today. Getting all these staples out. I don't know why. They would staple their rug down.
So it wouldn't slide around.
But don't buy a rug and then staple it down to the floor.
Yeah, you're talking probably 50 years ago. 100 years ago. Well, maybe not 100.
100 years ago and 100 staples.
I don't know if they had staples back then. Did they?
I don't know.
They probably did. But
This is crazy.
Now, don't worry about taking staples out of this stuff over here.
What size area rug do I need to get from here?
Oh, probably about a 10 by 12. We could probably get that at Ollie's. They had a whole stack of them.
It's gotta be pretty.
Pretty pink.
Pretty pink or pretty gray. So here's the summing of the flooring that Randy has started repairing. Just had to tear some out and
Yeah.
build it back up.
And basically what we got is we got this old floor and we didn't want to replace the whole thing because it would run into a lot of money for this room anyway. So It was hard to find the wood that was this thickness. So about the only thing I could do is I found some plywood. If I double it up, it would be the same thickness as this. So that's what I'm doing. Got some of it done over there. And now I'm going to do this right here. So this is going to be doubled up right here.
So, this one's done. And then we got to go over here and do all this. Work, work, work.
Too much work.
Too much work. And then down there is the stairs.
The stairs.
There's a drop off here. Got to build a wall here. I'm gonna be able to save these stairs. We just gotta fix them up a little bit. But the ones that are clear down there that are at the turn, those are done. You walk on those, you're falling through.
Yeah.
Yeah, getting there.
Getting there.
There's a few more spots that was already here that we have to repair. There's a hole. There's a couple holes here. Again, remind you, this house was gutted when we bought it.
Gutted.
Gutted.
Nothing in it gutted.
Nothing. So we just build it back up from the ground up. And we're still working on it 6 years later, but now we're getting done since we're retired. And we got so much time on our hands.
6? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 2016. But we haven't lived here that long. It took us, well, about a year and a half to even get in here so me and him could stay here in one room. But we'll show you some more later. Another day upstairs.
Hold on. My ass crack's showing.
I believe it. This is where he's putting 2 boards on top of each other because they weren't thick and we couldn't get them thick enough, so we had to use 2.
Yeah.
Get that. He got this spot done.
Need to get that spot over there done. One there next.
Yes.
Maybe later we can go to Lowe's and get the paint. Hey,
I don't want to get the paint till this is all cleaned up and everything. Then we'll go get the paint.
Well, you just said the other day that...
Tomorrow.
Why didn't we get the
Tomorrow.
paint? Oh, okay. You're confusing me.
We'll go tomorrow, but we're not painting any of this until it's completely all cleaned up and all done.
Okay.
And then,
Okay.
I still got to work on my door over here.
What's my ass crack?
I'm gonna sand it and clean it all up, and then I'm gonna paint it.
What's that?
That
Oh,
door.
that door, yeah, I gotta take it out there and trim it.
Yeah. And I've got to paint this. And then Randy's gonna put another piece of wall there.
Hey, when you show it, I'm watching you, you're doing the camera like this, and Randy's gonna put a piece of wall there.
Yeah?
Okay.
What do you mean? Just calm down.
Calm down.
You are the manager, not the owner. Here's the steps. So those 4 brown ones and these 3 need to be done. We're going to salvage these 4. But right now, if you can see all these staplers and stuff, that's what I'm going to be working on, and they are full, so it'll probably take me about, stop throwing things at me. It'll probably take me about 3 hours to finish these stairs because they went staple crazy. They all got to come out. So that's that for today. I need something more in this because they were working with, they were putting it in with this staple, this big kind of staple. Now they went to, let me see if I can find one. Little tiny staples. This, it's even this is too big to get them out.
Mm-hmm.
So now what?
Yeah, just get what you can get, I guess.
No, it's gotta be done right.
Mm-hmm.
I need a little tiny screwdriver.
Well, here in a little bit, I'm gonna need you to go outside and help me cut a 5.5 inch board.
Whenever.
Huh?
Whenever you're ready, I think I just...
You want some safety glasses? You probably should get safety glasses.
Is this lead paint?
Oh, I don't know what year it was put in here.
So, lead paint can kill you, can it?
It make you pretty sick, I think.
If you eat it?
Yeah.
Just what about getting it on your fingers and stuff?
Nah.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Nah.
I don't plan on unless I get hungry. You like to watch me work while you do nothing?
I'm resting my back.
Oh.
My back's hurting. But I need you to go out here with me a little bit.
I know. I said when you're ready, let me know.
Okay. All right.